I got Julius taking his bath in his bird bath in the swimming pool just now. He went in twice. This is the second time. I don't know if he's going to go in again. This is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan, doing this video in my apartment, and today is Sunday, January 18th, 2026. I finally got him in the bird bath. Maybe he'll go in again. Let's see. No, he's nibbling on his Vitacraft egg and honey stick now, so he probably won't go in the bath again. And there's the close-up of it right there, the bird bath. Yeah, you went in your bird bath. You went swimming. Okay, we're going to say goodbye. Bye, everybody. You finally got to see Julius swimming in his bird bath. Cool. And the water is warm, lukewarm, because it's been sitting all day. The water's been sitting in there all day. I put fresh water in this today, earlier today. Right now it is about 10 after 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. January 18th, 2026, and this is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan. And there he's going on a swing. He's sang a little bit right there. Hey, Julius. Julius. You swinging in front of your mirror? In front of your mirror, you're swinging? Okay, we're going to say goodbye now. Bye.